Hello students, today I am starting chapter number 13 in this video, and the name of the chapter is Surface Areas and Volumes. Now when I am starting this topic, before you see my videos, yes, please go through all the formulas of the surface area and volume which you have read in class 9. The formulas are the same only. There is no new formula in this year. Now you see the topic here, surface areas of combinations of solids, means more than one solid. Like in this topic we will study that there is one solid hemisphere and there is a cone here, or there is a cylinder here and on the top of the cylinder there is a cone here, or at the bottom we have a hemisphere here. So this is the combinations of two solid, cone and hemisphere. This is the combinations of three solid, cone, cylinder and hemisphere. So this will be our area of learning in this particular exercise. Now see the first one, two cubes each of volume. There are two cubes here and the volume of these two cubes are 64 centimeter cube and they are joined like this. These cubes, this is the rough diagram, you can understand with the diagram that two cubes are joined. Now what is the volume of cube? Volume of each cube is 64 centimeter cube. Say the side of this cube is, edge of the cube is a cube, a it is. So a cube is 64, so a is 4 centimeter. Now you see this is also a and this is also a. This part is a and this part is also a. So when we are joining these two, it will become a cuboid. And what will be the length of the cuboid? By joining, it will be a cuboid. So what is the length of the cuboid now? 8 centimeter. What is the breadth of the cuboid? 4 centimeter. And what is the height of the cuboid? 4 centimeter. So the cuboid will be 4 by 8 by 4 by 4. Now the total surface area of the cuboid is 2 LB, BH and HL. So in this formula, 8 into 4, 4 into 4 and 4 into 8. So the answer is 2, 32 plus 16 plus 32. If you add it, it is 2 into 80. So the answer is 160 centimeter square. So that is the combinations of solid. This is the combination of two solid which are cube and cube. So when you join two cubes together, it will become a cuboid, because in that case one side will be longer and it will be 8 centimeters. So answer is 164. You see the second problem. Now the second problem, a vessel is in the form of hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. The total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter and the radius of the diameter of the hemispherical part is 14 centimeter. So the radius will be 7 centimeter. Now you see this total length is 13 centimeter. This will be 7 centimeter. Because in hemisphere, whatever is the radius, that will be the height. So what will be the height of the cylindrical part? Definitely it will be 6 centimeter. Now this is a vessel. Vessel means we can fill something in this one. So this part is open here. Now if suppose it is a frying pan having a cylinder at the top, then on which part you will find the surface? That is this part and the sideways. So the formula for surface area, of vessel, please try to understand. I am using the term surface area, not the curved surface area or total surface area. It is surface area. Surface area means whatever is the surface area in this particular vessel, that we have to calculate. And in this, it is told here that we have to use the inner world, inner surface area, the area from inside. So when you say inside this bowl part, so inner surface area will be CSA of hemisphere, hemispherical part plus CSA of cylindrical part. It is made by the combination of these two, cylindrical part. Now you see hemispherical part. When you see this vessel from inside, the bottom will be 2 pi r square and the sideways it will be 2 pi r h. Best is from these two you take 2 pi r common, then it is r plus h. Please see this formula. Now this formula is specially for this type of vessel. Some students get confused that we have to find curved surface area or total surface area. Here the main part is we want surface area of this particular vessel. So put the value here. It is 2 into 22 upon 7. The radius is 7. The radius is again 7 and the height is 6. Height of the cylinder. So this 7 and 7 cancel. It is 44 into 13. That is the total surface area, and if you multiply, this will be 572 centimeter square. So that will be the total, that will be the surface area, inner surface area. The same will be the outer surface area also, if you don't consider the thickness of this material by which this particular vessel is made. So in this way we write here inner surface area. It is written here inner surface area. So that is the answer for this particular sum. I am taking the third problem. Yes, now the third sum. A toy is in the form of cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of the same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area. Now you see the total surface area of this toy. The total surface area of this toy will be total surface area of toy will be CSA of conical part, please see, and plus CSA of hemispherical part, hemispherical portion part. So the formula is pi rl plus 2 pi r square. I can take pi r common, then it is L plus 2R. So this is the formula. Now I am coming to the diagram again. This radius is 3.5, so as I told you, this will also be 3.5. This part will also be 3.5. So what will be this height? It is 12 centimeter. But you know, in the formula we need the slant height. So in the triangle OAB, this triangle, or AOB, whatever name you write, AOB, angle O is 90 degree. Yes? So this is the slant height. So what is L square? You have read in the 9th class, L square is H square plus R square. H square is 12 ka square plus R square is 3.5 ka square. So it is 144 and 12.25, and if you add it, it is 156.25, and the L will be the square root of 156.25, so answer will be 12.5 centimeter. That is a little calculation which you have to do, and this is not a new part, you already studied this in the 9th class. Now I am putting these data here. So it is 22 upon 7. Now here I want to tell you one thing. very important, the radius is 3.5. Now if you want to make your calculations easy, instead of 3.5, better you write 7 by 2. 3.5 and 7 by 2 is the same only, so you write 7.5, 7 by 2 here. The slant height is 12.5, 2 into 7 by 2. This 2 and this 2 cancel, this 7 and 7 cancel, this is 11 times. So it is 11 into 19.5. Please see this part. And if you multiply these two quantities, you will find that the total surface area of the toy will be 214.5 centimeter square. So in this way, this is a very important problem for the board examination purpose. Please prepare this sum very nicely. Thank you. Okay, I am taking one more sum, that is sum number 4. Yes, now in this problem, a cubical block of side 7 centimeter is surmounted by a hemisphere. What is the greatest diameter of the hemisphere that can have? And find the surface area of the solid. See, this is a diagram. If you want to understand it, you can understand this with the help of this solid. This is you can see this is a cube and a hemisphere is mounted on this. Now the side of the cube is 7 centimeter. So what will be the diameter, the biggest diameter of the hemisphere? It will be 7 centimeter. So what will be the radius of this? It will be 3.5. Now I am talking about the surface area of this solid. So the surface area of the solid is, first is total surface area of cube plus curved surface area of hemisphere minus some part of the cube is covered. You see, this part is covered by this. So that is minus area of base of hemisphere. That is 6a square plus 2 pi r square minus pi r square. This part. Now here the value of a is 7 centimeter and the value of r is 7 by 2 centimeter. That is 3.5 centimeter. Because the biggest diameter is 7 centimeter. You can understand this part very nicely. You can see this diagram now. Hemisphere is there mounted on a cube. So whatever is the side of the cube, that will be the biggest diameter of the hemisphere. Now 6a square, 2 pi r square minus pi r square, it is pi r square. Put the value 6 into 7 into 7 plus 22 upon 7, 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So this 7 and 7 cancelled and it is 11. 77 upon 2, it is 34, 38.5. And if you see this part, it is 49 into 6. So it is 294. And if you add these two areas, then the answer will be 332.5 centimeter square. Please see this part. Now, there is one more problem here, and that is problem number 5. That is also the same only, because in that, this is the upper part, and if you put it inside, then also the formula will be the same only. So problem number 5 you can manage yourself. The next problem I will explain you will be problem number 6. I hope this part is clear to you. Thank you.